It actually gets done then if you put it on a schedule or paying someone
they'll
to
check
do it.
the air filter, the furnace
Right.
filter and all those items as well. So, like I said, I think a lot of those, keeping up with your smoke detectors and carbon monoxide detectors, and getting on a service plan with some sort of HVAC company would be a good idea.
And I saw too, you had mentioned about keeping the vents clear. Some of the local fire departments were sharing about the vent that comes out from the dryer, making sure if there's any snow or ice or anything, keeping that clear too, so that those don't back up into the basement.